Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure virtual currencies with BlockFi easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the BlockFi website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email and selecting a strong password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Earn option in the menu. Click on Earn to view the virtual currency offerings. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to configure. Review the interest rates and terms for the chosen currency. Next, click the Get Started or Configure button. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Specify whether this is a one-time deposit or if you want to set up recurring deposits. After this, review the potential earnings displayed on the screen. Ensure that all information is accurate before proceeding. Click the Confirm or Submit button to finalize your configuration. You may receive a confirmation email regarding your transaction. Monitor your account for your interest earnings, which will be updated regularly. For additional configurations, simply repeat the process for each virtual currency. Explore other features on BlockFi, such as loans or trading options, for further financial opportunities. That concludes your tutorial on configuring virtual currencies with BlockFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.